Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GMAT. We have been solving GMAT math problems out of this book here, the GMAT Official Guide 2024. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. Always make sure that this book is in front of you when we are working together. Today is our lesson number 36. We are on page number 98. We're going to do only one problem today, number 157. As you can see, it's on the blackboard already. This problem deals with the concept of Venn diagram, and this is what it says. It says that we have a travel club. We are told that in a travel club, 26 people went to England, 26 people went to France, 32 people went to Italy, 0 people went both to England and France, 6 people went to both England and Italy, 11 people we are told went to both France and Italy. And the question simply is, how many people traveled to at least one country? How many traveled to at least one country? These are the answer choices. What I want you to do is pause the video at this point, solve the problem yourself, and then compare. We'll compare your work against the work we'll do together, okay? Go ahead and do it. Okay, so here we go. We need the room, obviously. So we need to erase everything. Get rid of this also, I suppose. Maybe not. So let's begin. We have 3 countries. Here we go. England, France, and Italy. We were told that 26 people go to England. So 26 people went to England. We were further told the same number of people went to France. And we were told that 32 people went to Italy. Now let's see what happens. We were told that there was nobody who went to both England and France. England and France, we're talking about this area right here. This portion right here is a big fat 0. And since it's a big fat 0, we don't have to do any adjustment here. We were told next that 6 people went to both England and Italy. England and Italy. Italy and England, 6 people went to both of these countries. Which means these 6 people who went to England and Italy, these 6 people are first counted here, and the same people are counted here. We can't have double counting. To avoid the double counting, we need to subtract 6 from here, which is going to give us 12 minus 6 is 26. And we need to subtract 6 from here, it's going to give us 20. We also know that there were 11 people who went to both France and Italy. Both France and Italy. As soon as we put 11 here, we have to do the same adjustment. We need to take away 11 from here and 11 from here. Oh, it's 26 and 26. What do you know? Same number. So, 26 minus 10 would have been 16. 26 minus 11 is going to be 15. So this becomes 15 and this becomes 15. Now we are ready to answer the question that we are looking for. Let's do it here. Let's first look at something that is not being asked. Let's look at how many people went to exactly one country. Let's first look at how many people went to exactly one country. Exactly one country, we have 20 people who went to only England. We have 15 people who went to only France. And we have 15 people who went to, that's a 1, who went to only Italy. So that's very straightforward, that's 50. To that, we have to add the number of people who went to 2 countries, because as you can see clearly here, there's nobody here who went to all 3 countries. So this 0 shifts down here, and nobody went to all 3 countries, so we don't have to worry about triple counting, which makes it much easier. Let's look at the people who went to 2 countries. Right here, 15, and 20. Oh, that's exactly one country. Sorry. Let's take a look at the number of people who went to 2 countries. 11 people. 11 people went to France and Italy, so we need to add 11 to it. And 6 people went to England in Italy. There we go. We need to add 17 to this guy. We need to add 17 to this guy. Number 50 represents the number of people who went to exactly one country. 17 represents the number of people who went to two countries. The question was, how many people traveled to at least one country? At least one country means we have to worry about all the people who went to exactly one country, and the people who went to two countries, and the people who went to all three countries, which we have nothing. So there were 17 people who went to two countries. There were 50 people who went to exactly one country, and therefore the answer is 67. The answer is 50 plus, I don't want to do it here, 67. This guy and this guy. That's all. And that was one of the answer choices. The answer choice B, 67 is the answer. As I said earlier, I believe I did say earlier, number 158 is something that we have already done. We already did that on day number 34, which means tomorrow when we meet, we're going to start the next page, page number 99, with problem number 37. Alright? Bye now.